So yeah guys, we'll get started with the next section, which is the knowledge section. So we just create the section, then create a class with name knowledge, then give the id as knowledge as well. So under this, we'll be basically trying to describe the knowledge that you have. So I'll just copy paste the title from there. Yeah, so copy paste and then remove about me and then rename it to knowledge. Yeah, so here I'll be following the alternative method where firstly I'll try to have the like one section white background, the other section black, and then white black combination kind of structure. So I'll just call the class knowledge and then keep the background color as black. It's not exactly black, it's light black. So hash 161b22 is just like the light color. And we'll go to index and then keep the color as white, color white. So yeah, it looks good. So we'll now try to code the rest of the section. So try to raise a margin top. So when I give margin top as 2rem, it is going to increase the space on the top, but if I'm going to give minus, it's going to decrease the space on the top. So you can try that, but if it doesn't work, you can just leave it. Now the text, it's not getting reflected. That's fine. Okay, let's go on to the next part. So here we'll be using again Bootstrap Cards to code the section. So under cards, you can just choose the grid markup section where we have two cards aligned on the same line. So we can just use that. What do I say? Cards to design this knowledge section. So the card title can be replaced to any of your interest, any of your knowledge which you have. So in this case, I'll just replace it to say web developer or development. And in this case, I'll just change it to app development maybe. Yeah. So once you're done with that, we'll just have a look at how it looks. But before that, we'll try to change the card text as well. Card text will get changed to any of your description that you want to write. So in this case, I'll just replace it to my description that I want to write. So I'll just put that I'm a partial full stack developer, and any description of just 2 lines will work. And then the same text can be changed in the app development part as well. So here in Bootstrap, we see the card dash hyphen title, card hyphen text. So all these inbuilt functions of Bootstrap. So if you give hyphen title, it's going to give the title, like the text inside of the card. Once you put hyphen title, it's going to reflect as a title. If you put hyphen text, it's going to reflect as a description. So this is why hyphen text, hyphen title, all this was introduced in Bootstrap, so that you don't have to write external CSS for that. And we're going to change the button name. Okay, here we have button primary, button success, button danger. So again, primary means blue color. If you want to just change the primary to success, it's going to reflect in green color. Change the primary to danger, it's going to reflect in red color. You can just Google out all this stuff and find out yourself of how what are different colors that we have under on this part. So yeah, so we'll just try to change the background color of this card. So go to the specific card and assign an inline CSS, or maybe the extent. Probably I'll go for inline CSS. Then assign Bootstrap inbuilt function. Yeah, but dark color looks something like this. But I guess there's difference between the background and this color, so we'll go for writing our own CSS for this. So we'll try success and see how it looks. So Yeah, as I told, success will reflect in green color. It looks a little odd. So anything, that's all up to you. You can just change up to your own color. And we'll try secondary and see. The secondary looks a little gray color. So anyways, we'll try to go to writing our own CSS for this instead of using Bootstrap built-in functions. So we'll just come outside the card tag and then assign style, background color to #161 B22, and then yeah, so this color is same as the background color, so you don't see that outline there. So this looks much better than the last one. Just copy the same style for the other card as well. Yeah, so it looks much better now. So I would like to align them to the center of the card. So in that case, I'll assign a center tag, and I even need a margin top for the cards. So yeah, it looks much better now. So maybe I want to have the title a little bigger, so in that case 20 pixels, no changes. We'll try to increase the font size 25 pixels. Yeah, 25 pixels looks like a better one, so we'll just copy the same style and paste it in the second card, and now it looks good. Probably some more changes can be made to the section of the card where we can probably use some icons as well. So for this you just have to use font as a font awesome icons. So font awesome is just a place where you can use different icons. So you just have to import the tags. Just search for font awesome CDN and then import that into the head tag of yours, and once that is getting imported, you can start using their class as well. So in order to use their icons, you just have to use a syntax I class. Instead of that, just pass fas fa hyphen code. So code in the sense is going to give this angular bracket with a slash inside of it, so which is like a code symbol. You can use anything, like in place of code, if you use brush, you're going to go to brush. If you're going to use something like probably a danger symbol, you're going to get an X. So you can just explore that inside of font awesome, what all different options they have, and choose the right icon that you want. So in this case, since web development is a part of coding, I'm just going to replace that icon in place of a code, and change the color and increase the font of the icon. Similarly, paste the same thing in case of the app development as well. So, and since I want that icon to be in the center, I'll just put it in the center and copy this thing and paste it even for this as well. So once we do that, we change the web to app. Yeah, so sometimes font awesome icons won't load, so you just have to refresh the page again. So you just have to reload if it doesn't load, and yeah, it loads now. So that is done, and I would like to even assign the button to the center as well. So in order to do that, we just have to use the center tag of HTML to assign things to the center, and then copy the entire anchor tag and paste it. So instead of this no more button, instead of href I've just given an hash. Hash means you're not directing the link to anywhere. Suppose once on clicking this no more button, if you want them to go to some other page, you can use your link inside of the href. So this is all for this video. We'll see what we can do in the next video. So thanks.